guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayushi
and I am Khushi.
Today we are on the hunt to find the best street food in Ahmedabad. You may have seen many videos where you see bhajia, dhokla, khaman, but Ahmedabad is more than that. So today we are gonna eat on the streets of Ahmedabad through CG Road, HL, CEPT, and we'll find what it's famous for. So let's go.
Let's start with HL Cow Gully. It's a stretch of food wagons and small installments that serves tasty snacks and soft drinks. The area is filled with different colleges, making it a hotspot for students and young people, which is open till late at night.
So we are back with momos, so let's taste test.
अभी भी गरम है.
The chutney is not the Szechuan chutney that you get in the market. It seems homemade.
Yes.
I love it.
And peeling is not only cabbage.
True. For veg momos, it's so tough to get momos that you
Yes.
like. Love it.
और मतलब और ज़्यादा
Could have been better. 4 is good enough.
Good
for momos.
Yes. This is spicy.
What?
Chutney.
तो तुम रो रहे हो?
Szechuan chutney. मेरा खुल गया.
I like that chapati or the tortilla.
Like it's not only maida.
That's what I'm saying.
it's
Because
not
then when
only
it gets
maida.
too much.
Heavy.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm figuring out how to eat it.
I like it.
Tastes like barbecue.
What about the feeling?
Amazing. Must try.
And it's worth the money that you pay. The Frankie was 90 rupees.
I love it.
Chef approved.
हाँ वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बारबेक्यू के नाम पे कुछ भी दे दिया है. बारबेक्यू का वो स्मोकी फ्लेवर आ रहा है इसमें.
I can't stop eating this, even though I know we have to eat a lot of things now. There's a feeling of potatoes. आलू नहीं वड़ी च बच्चे. It's very rare, I guess. मतलब मैंने नहीं देखा ऐसा कोई करता है.
It's all आलू या तो it's all veggies.
Okay, so it's worth the money.
Yes.
It tastes nice. How many stars out of 5?
5.
5. I really love it.
Next stop is CEPT, 700 meters away from HL.
Here we have CEPT famous aloo paratha. He has given us curd, achar, and one was लहसुन
की चटनी.
तेल तो इसने ही डाला है
भर के. और जो सफाई की है उसने कैमरा देखने के बाद अच्छी की. बहुत
तवा ववा साफ किया था, दही में पानी कम डाला था. How is it?
ठीक है ना, मतलब ऐसा वाव फैक्टर नहीं आ रहा है. There is no wow factor.
How's the stuffing?
स्टफिंग सही है, बहुत अच्छे से स्टफ किया है.
कंजूसी नहीं की.
कंजूसी नहीं की. पर वो जो मसाला है ना,
That is very nice.
हाँ, that is very nice.
The thing is sprinkled on in the end.
पराठा and also in yogurt.
I mean it's okay.
हाँ, मतलब वो वाव फैक्टर नहीं है जो हाइप है कि सेप्ट का पराठा.
True. Chutney is very nice.
Achar is also nice.
It's worth the money that you are paying. You get what you pay.
सर एक इंसान खाता है तो उसका तो लंच या डिनर हो ही जाएगा.
True. Perfect for college students.
Yes.
How many stars out of 5? Keeping in mind the money that you are paying.
5. Yes.
If you compare it with other types of parathas that is out there that you can get, then 4.
Yes. Then 4.
मुझे कैसे कमाल पास
the realization it is.
Bye.